Hello friends, today I will show about how to install Yii2 Framework. Go to Yii Framework website. Here is a Yii Framework website. To download Yii2 Framework, go to download tab. After clicking download, then we can install in two way: install via composer and install from an archive files. We can go through install from an archive files. Now click on Yii2 with basic application. We can download this file. So click on Yii2 file. I have already downloaded this file, so don't download it again. Now go to a download folder. In download folder I have this file. To copy this file and go to computer, where folder, www folder, and in localhost to paste here this file. After paste, click on right and extract here file. To extract this file, here is a basic folder, Yii2 basic folder. Now go to a browser and open a localhost. I open a localhost. Localhost is shown in a basic directory. To click in basic directory, show various folders. To click on web folders. After clicking web folders, it will show a error, invalid configuration. It's just a cookie error. We can set the cookie and refresh this page. Go to Sublime. I have add the project. Here is a basic directories. In basic directory, go to config folder. Config folder in web.php. Web.php, here is a cookie validation key. We can set a cookie validation key. I have set my name Vishal, and after set, save this page and go to browser and refresh this page. To refreshing page, you have successful installation of Yii2 Framework. This is the home page of Yii2 Framework. In menu, you can show a various links like about. There is about page. Here contact page. Here is a login page. All things are there. It is all about Yii2 home page. In bottom of here is a e-debugger. E-debugger, you can debug your data and various links are available. Now I have set up with a database. Okay, so in config folders, go to db.php. We have set the database and username and password. Go to browser and phpMyAdmin. I have created one database, test database. I have created a test database. Here is my database is created. Now I have give a db name test and username is root and my password is also root, so I can give a root username root and password root. After setting the database, it will store all the data in this database. Go to these all things about Yii2 installation. First, whenever you want to install Yii2 Framework, then complete this. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.